Hello everyone, student of standard 4. Today is the second day of our computer class. Last class, student, we discussed about data and information, bits and bytes, silicon chips. Now let's start today from computer memory. Okay, today topic is computer memory. First of all, student, we know about computer memory. What is computer memory? Computer memory is a place where information is stored. Okay, it's called the memory of the computer. In memory of the computer there is two kinds. First one is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. First of all we know that primary memory, that is called internal memory also. Primary memory को बच्चों हम लोग internal memory भी बोलते हैं. First of all, we know that about primary memory. What is primary memory? See here. The primary memory of the computer tells us the amount of data that the computer can store. Okay. In primary memory, there are two kinds of memory. First one is RAM and second one is ROM. In previous class, I tell you full form of RAM and ROM. The full form of RAM is random access memory and ROM is read-only memory. Understood? Now, first topic is RAM. The full form of RAM is random access memory, and RAM is a type of data storage used in computers that is generally located on the motherboard. See here, it stores data and instruction only when the computer is turned on. You can read and write data on it. RAM is only temporary memory. If there is a power cut while working on a computer, all the data stored on the RAM is lost. Next one is ROM. ROM, it is used to store the startup instruction for a computer, and its full form is read-only memory, because program stored on ROM can only be read. One cannot write on ROM, unlike RAM. ROM holds data permanently. The information on ROM does not get whipped out when the computer is turned out. Okay, this is primary memory or internal memory. Second point is secondary memory. Secondary memory को हम लोग external memory भी कहते हैं. In secondary memory, sometimes there is so much information that it cannot be saved on primary storage device. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि कोई ऐसा मेमोरी होता है, कोई ऐसा डेटा होता है जिसको हम लोग प्राइमरी मेमोरी में सेव नहीं कर पाते हैं या भूल जाते हैं, तो उसको कहाँ सेव करना होता है? सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में. सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में क्या क्या आते हैं? पेन ड्राइव आते हैं, फ्लॉपी डिस्क आता है, सीडी आता है, हार्ड डिस्क आता है. तो पहला क्या पढ़ेंगे हम लोग? सीडी. सीडी का फुल फॉर्म होता है कॉम्पैक्ट. CD stands for compact disk. It is round, shiny disk that can store and read data and programs. There is a CD drive in a CPU to run a CD. A CD can hold a lot of data, that is 650 MB or more. Second thing is DVD. It stands for digital versatile disk. It is also flat round disk, and it is a different type. There is a different type of DVDs, varies from 2 GB to 17 GB. Then next is hard disk. It can hold more information than a CD or DVD and gives information much faster. Okay. Then next thing, you cannot remove or even see it. Whatever you save in different programs gets saved on a hard disk unless another disk is specified. And last one is pen drive. A pen drive is a small portable storage device which is very different from a hard disk or a CD. पेन ड्राइव क्या है? वो छोटा सा पोर्टेबल स्टोरेज डिवाइस है जो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है हार्ड डिस्क से और सीडी से. We cannot pen drives to our computers through USB ports. Storage capacity of pen drives vary from 16 MB to almost 256 GB. Data stored on pen drives can be erased or replaced with new data. A pen drive is also known as a USB drive or a flash drive. पेन ड्राइव को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? USB ड्राइव भी कहते हैं और फ्लैश ड्राइव भी कहते हैं. So students, enough for today. In the next class, I will give you some objective type question like fill in the blanks, true, false, and so on. And I will give you in objective type of question with answers. So students, enough for today. Thank you.